Our next question says, determine whether the following equation represents y as a function of x. So does this equation, 3x minus 8y equals 24, represent y as a function of x? So the first thing that we want to do to make that decision is to rewrite our equation in y equals form. So we're going to write 3x minus 8y equals 24. We want to rewrite it so that we have y by itself on one side. So we're going to subtract 3x on both sides. That gives me negative 8y equals negative 3x plus 24. We're going to divide both sides by negative 8. And that gives me y equals a positive 3/8 x minus 3. So first I've rewritten the equation in y equals form. That's writing it as y as a function of x. And then we want to decide whether this equation represents a function. So we have to remember the definition of a function. Every first coordinate corresponds to exactly one second coordinate. So our first coordinates are our x's and our second coordinates are our y's. So for every x, we need to have exactly one y. And we will see that if we choose a value of x, say choose a value of x like x equals 0, we'll find that y equals 3/8 times 0 minus 3. And then that simplifies to be negative 3. So we chose a value of x, we have a first coordinate, and it's corresponding to exactly one second coordinate. Now we did one example, but it really has to be true for every first coordinate. So if we choose a different value of x, will that also correspond to exactly one second coordinate? So I chose a second x value of 8. If we substitute that in, we would get the 8's canceling out to be 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. And we get, once again, one second coordinate. So no matter what value of x we choose, we're going to substitute into this equation and just get one value of y. So this is a function.